So ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to unbox the world's first OLED Evo M3 wireless TV. This is coming with it comes with 77, 83 and 93 inches 4K. Comes with the Bright Booster Max. It will come with the Alpha 9 AI processor, generation 6. It comes with the FreeSync, G-Sync, and it has saved you the hassles of the HDMIs. Today we are unboxing this. So this will be the bracket. So this is how the M3 looks. That's where the whole bracket will go. We just unboxed it. You remember the G3 has like HDMIs here and so on, optical. So here there is nothing. And this is the face. Sorry. This will be its face. The steel. Okay, bro. I'm not putting face, don't worry. No face, only this one I'm taking video. I think next year we'll have another board because too much walls.
Last one, I screw it.
Bro, can I ask, why was the that's how it's installed. You have to open these locks before you put on the TV. Then after, you cross the locks. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how it's going to be.
അവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ ആക്കിക്ക ലോക്കാക്കിക്ക ലോക്കായ എന്നിട്ട് ആ വയറ് അതിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ മൊത്തം
So once you switch on, it will show like this, like that. Huh? Yeah, it's in power. This one, it's on.
Power now?
Huh?
Power. Setting.
Settings? So now we are removing our paper. Don't forget it on. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the connect box. So if it shows green, means it's not connected, like the network is not good. So if it changes to the blue, means it's well centered, and that's the perfect place where it should be for the good transmission. So let's start our TV now. You'll have to check the line. Will change to English. We are in the Middle East, so Middle East. Next, we are in Dubai. Welcome to Dubai. So this is what it shows. So just in case, you can select according to where you put the TV. So mine is in the sides. So that means I'll have to select here in the center, because now you see where mine is. And those ones who are asking yourselves the price, it's like 32,000 dirhams. So you can convert to dollars. It will be like 3.66. And so now I'll select. That's where I've connected mine. So ladies and gentlemen, do not connect under your TV stand besides, or somewhere there is something on top of the TV. It has to be in the center. It has to be in the sides, or like at the back. So don't put the connect box in these places as per the LG, because the network will not be clear. You'll not get the transmission of the pictures. So, and this is what it means. So if it will show you the blue, means the color, the signal is really well. This will be a little bit weak signal. Then this will be very weak, and the red one, it means that there is no transmission at all from the zero connect box to the screen. So now you have to make sure that it's in blue. As you see, mine is in blue, and if it's not in blue color, you have to change and adjust from here. You see how you have to adjust. You can do like this by your hands. You can adjust. You understand? See, now it's changed to green. So if I take it back, I'll have to balance it, then I'll get the blue. Now it has brought the blue again. Means that the positioning is really right. So let's go. So I'll not use the Think Up. I'll use my remote, and for the Wi-Fi, I'll just put in my Wi-Fi password. So ladies and gentlemen, now we've entered our password. Let's check it out and see. You can either skip, or if you don't have like Wi-Fi, so it's connected. So now here we'll go to the next terms and conditions. You have to accept that. From the country where I am, we are using Arabic, so this will be like GCC, Middle East and North and East African TV. So accept, go there to the next, accept all the terms and conditions, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channels. So right now I'm not going to use any of this. I'm not going to do anything of that. And no HDMI, no TV, it's for the display. Let's go to the next. So my TV is mounted on the wall. As you know, this is a wall mounted TV. You can only put the M3 in 97 on the stands. You buy the stand separately. So I'll activate my aura is ready, and next, and I'll skip this. You can, if you want, you can keep it. So ladies and gentlemen, now you'll have to choose whatever you're going to install. Even if you choose one, the others will install by themselves. Yeah, so now let's go. This will install. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and just know we love you so very much, our subscribers, and those who haven't subscribed, we love you so much. And kindly subscribe, put the notification button, tell a friend that there is this channel, an upcoming channel. It will give you the latest unboxing. Yeah. And today we are unboxing the world's first and only wireless OLED TV. In that we mean all your connections will come to this box, and this box is wirelessly transmitting to the screen. So ladies and gentlemen, and there we are. Welcome to our 83 M3 TV, the first and the only wireless TV in the world for the moment. Maybe other brands will copy LG, but for now there is no other brand that has it. Let's try to check the channels. Sorry, the picture quality and the sound quality. And by the way, this is like 120 hertz. Is transmitting wirelessly. So what should I try? I'll try Animal Life. Sorry, I'm not good in typing so fast. Space Life. I'll try this. I'm sure this is not 4K. It's on full HD, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, as I said, I watched this documentary before. It's a nice one. And see the black is like black. Wow, the sound quality is really good.
Spectacular gatherings of wildlife.
Yeah, the picture quality is really very great. I'll remove this for copyright reasons. So ladies and gentlemen, this TV will be 4K 120 hertz, the world's first wireless transmission TV with the connect box, zero connect box. You don't need to connect anywhere to this. You have to just plug this in power, and you plug this in separate power if you have the HDMI's satellite. So just a quick reminder, this M3 is the first OLED with wireless connect. For our subscribers, just a quick reminder, the M3 comes in 3 inches, comes in 77, 83 and 97, and it's the first wireless transmission TV. So you don't, the HDMI is outside, all the connections will be on the box, and it will be 4K. Comes with OLED Evo with the Bright Boost Max, 120 Hz 2.1 HDMI, and it's like 2.1 HDMI with 120 Hz wireless transmission. Comes with a FreeSync, comes with a G-Sync, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, and HDR10 Pro. So what else you want to learn? Anything, just put in the comment section below. I'll answer your call, your request. Love ya. Love you so much. Have a good day.